Hi, I'm Corey Graff, curator here at the Flying Heritage and Combat Armor Museum, and today we're going to be talking about flying guns. So what is a fighter plane really? Like, why does it exist? Everything on this airplane, pilot, engine, wings, fuel, it all exists to get the guns, in the right place at the right time. Guns, yeah, and sometimes bombs and rockets, they're the reason for a fighter plane's existence. Check this out. This is a P-47 Thunderbolt. It has 8 50 caliber machine guns, 4 on each side. What most people don't know is the guns are intentionally cross-eyed. The bullets don't just fly into the sky forever in a straight line, they converge. Here's a manual from a P-51 Mustang. All the guns are adjusted to hit the same spot out in space, about 300 yards or so in front of the plane. That's the sweet spot to bring down an enemy fighter or shoot up a train. So the B-25, it started out as something else, a medium bomber. See this? The Norden bomb sight. It was there to get the bombs in the right place at the right time. But over time, crews of B-25s, particularly in China and the Pacific, they started using the B-25 for something else. They used it as a flying gun. So you actually point the whole plane at what you want to shoot. See this? That's the reflector gun sight in front of the pilot. He points, he shoots. This particular version of the B-25 had 9 50 caliber machine guns. It had 2 on top, 2 on this side, 2 on that side, and 3 more in the nose. So some of these airplanes even had more kick to them. A version of the B-25 had a 75mm cannon in the nose. That's roughly the same gun that's in our Sherman tank. Boom! Pilots say the airplane nearly stood still in midair. Nothing was safe. Airfields, bridges, even small-sized ships. The Huey gunship is the same thing. A big, green, ugly gun. See this? That's the gun sight in front of the pilot. He points the chopper and he shoots. There are rockets and M60 machine guns on the side of the helicopter. You can see all these aircraft at the Flying Heritage and Combat Armor Museum. Thanks for watching, and share this video with your friends. And just so you know, we're not dummies and we know how the internet works. Here's a picture of a kitten in a flying boot.